Hello. This is going to be for Aries. Your past life, insight. Like, share, subscribe. Take what resonates, what doesn't, leave it here. If this one doesn't resonate at all, then catch the next one. Any insights for Aries? Thank you in advance for the messages. Any insights of the past life that has brought the problems or issues or what we done as Aries in the past life. What do we have for Aries? Well, so far we have Mother and trees. So I'm going to say Mother Earth, Mother Nature, Mother Nature, Mother Nature. Communal living. So you lived in a group in nature. Mother Nature, communal group. Mother Nature, okay. Aries. And you're big on the arts. Anything else for Aries? So if you have knowledge of certain crafts or instruments or music or different things of that nature, then you partook in this. You lived in a group in Mother Nature. Do we have any kind of clarification from these cards for Aries of their past lives? Because we're ever changing. Mother Nature. And I know this card says arts, but you could have an arts, a craft, a gift of nature that connects with nature. So that's two or three different ways it can go for you. Some insight, clarify for Aries on this. Okay, so the arts, the one's telling me, once upon a midnight dreary, creativity, genius, writing, expression, artistic flow. So you were artistic. So maybe you have a knowledge of things or you do some kind of art because it comes to mind, then it gives you a deja vu feeling. Okay, Beauty and the Beast. You need some space in the relationship. See, living in Mother Nature in a communal living, you needed space. So nature could have been your escape, or just living communal living and you went to nature to escape. You were the fairy ring, new skills, advanced training, rapid improvement. So you were always changing. And the fairy bee, my life is sweet. So your life was always sweet when you were connected with nature. So if that kind of explains anything to you, I hope it does. A little insight, Aries, of your past life. Any comments, do say. Peace out.